Guys, dito na kami. Studio 300! Woohoo! Yan ang pamilya tuck-in. Hindi ko na bunso. Yeah. So ano masasabi mo, Mami?
Kasalanan ni Andre ito.
Ayan na, laki ah.
2 months na lang.
2 months na lang.
Sana 2 months. Huwag 1 month.
Guys, you can like some buffet already while we're waiting for other guests. And then we will start in a while. Ako din tayo.
Next question. Who's most likely to take more photos of the baby? As in, every day may post about the baby yan on IG.
Clara.
Most photos ha? As in,
Clara.
addiction siya.
Sabi mo ipopost, diba? Si Andre hindi na ipopost.
Oo, si Clara yan. Ma-post si Clara eh.
Take more photos.
Poster yun eh.
Take more photos. Take more photos. Bakit lumipat yung mga... Ay, mag-stay kayo. Ayan. Okay.
Yung pagka-take na photos na marami siguro.
Okay, can we have some shots here, please? Gusto natin na mag-shot. Thank you, guys. Thank you for volunteering. Okay, thank you for that. Our next question. Who's most likely to clean up more baby vomit? Who's gonna clean the baby vomit?
Clara yan.
Madalas magsusuka si baby pag may lungan. No, you're still playing. Walang uupo hanggang last question. 11 questions lang to, don't worry.
Clara.
Who's most likely is going to clean the baby vomit? Mommy or daddy? Mommy or daddy? Lungan. Lungan tawag nila doon.
Mami.
Final answer na guys. Ready? Hindi sila sure paano ba yan, guys? Mukhang walang responsable sa inyo. Wala daw maglilinis ng mga. Okay, sige, revise natin. Kunyari walang yaya. Sino maglilinis ng vomit?
So, sa aso, si Andre yung naglilitis ng vomit. So, siya yung sa bata.
So, magsha-shot ko yung nakapila under flag.
Isa.
Yeah, yung shots, please.
Please lang, walang mandadaya sa shot. Binawasan namin ng 1 buwan yung milk ni baby.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, next question. Who's most likely to be the more fun parent? Sino yung fun parent?
Clara! Clara!
Mama or daddy? Who's gonna be the fun parent? I think meron mga gusto uminom dito today.
Clara!
Okay, sige, answer. Ako.
Eh, ako din yun eh.
Parang doon tayo sa majority vote, so I think Clara would be the fun parent. Dapat na lang na siya.
Si Teng sa si Kerja yun. Purple daw.
It's Samboy. Here is called baby crawl relay. So the guys will have to wear the diaper, wear the shower cap, and then wear the bib, and then you're gonna sit on your partner while chugging the beer. So as you know, pag talo ka, mag-shot ka after mo mag-chug ng beer. Kailangan nakaupo kayo sa partner nyo. You have to carry them like they are your babies. Tapos i-chug nila yung beer. Gusto nyo ba mag-game plan muna sa couple? Or let me know pag game na kayo, guys. I'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Like you're delivering baby, you can't use your hands. Pasok yung balloon sa shirt nyo. Shake shirt naman. Huwag naman sa short. Huwag naman short. Pasok yung balloon sa shirt nyo. Kunyari kayo yung buntis.
Si Ice, yan.
Nagkawa siya ng background. You have to shake the balloon until it pops off your shirt. Ano na yan? Ito medyo madaya. Kailangan mag-work with the balloon. Dapat na sa loob.
Hindi na namin kailangan eh.
One eternity later.
Didikit sa balat mo yan eh.
Here ba? Tabi! Pasok! Tama! Ready? Set! Go!
Stop it. Get some help. What?
Please like and subscribe.